Hello and good morning, everyone. Welcome to the vlog. We're back for right now.
We're back, middle of October, Halloween time. So we are headed to
Lagoon.
Lagoon is known for in October what they call frightmares. So we may see some of that, but we're also gonna take advantage of everyone else going to frightmares, so we can catch on some primetime rides. And if we catch an artist while we're there, we might have our pictures drawn.
Hope is to do a cartoon sketch. So we've been doing some pretty fun things lately that we did not film. So I've been working a lot lately. I worked a UFC fight, a basketball game, a soccer tournament, a football game, a horse auction. Gary went hunting, didn't get anything, but he went hunting.
The weather was a little warm here in Utah for that, but it was a great hike, fantastic. Wonderful time spent camping. There's three of us up there, so and got the old dirt bike out and rode around. It was great. Saw a deer though, and grouse,
But no elk.
We're here for rope drop. All the ropes are getting cleaned up.
Rope drop?
Rope drop. All the ropes
never
are just
done
getting
rope
dropped
drop?
right now.
The ghost is.
Oh, you got a mouthpiece? Yeah. Don't talk all that.
How was it?
I like that drop.
That drop. Which one do you have?
What?
Which drop did you have? There's like 5 different drops.
Oh, really?
Oh, what?
Yeah.
The back one.
Oh.
Oh my gosh. I actually hate that. Oh my gosh. I hate this. Oh my god. Oh my gosh, I hate this so much. I hate this so much. Oh my gosh, I hate this. Oh my gosh. I don't like it. Oh my god. Holy shit. Oh my! Oh, that was the worst. Dude, that was the scariest one we've been on.
That wasn't fun.
Oh, there we go. What's up, vlog? Like and subscribe. Go by Joyride. Subscribe to Ride right hand. You guys ready?
For those of you about to ride Air Race, please rest your head back against the headrest and hold on to the safety restraint handles. Enjoy your ride.
I'll get hold of hands. Hold the girl part with me.
What? I can feel myself barking already.
Don't think about it. No.
I'm upside down, Mom. Oh, that's amazing. Wow, mommy. Oh, sweet. Yeah, this isn't that funny. Whoa, that one's upside down. Wow, hey, brother. Wow. If this came undone, I would be toast.
What?
Hey, Zach. Yeah, this is good. Look at my hair. Zach. Yep, I'm barfing.
Maybe the shade is
Barf. Oh, brother, I can feel it coming up.
Good?
Yeah, that was a good one.
Good?
Daisy's vlog.
Oh, you started?
Yeah, it started.
What's up? Sorry if my eyes are closed the whole time.
Here they are. We're on the hippie ride.
Is it hippie ride?
Across the USA. There's Breezy Gary up there. Amy, Jason. Here's the view.
A bushy barnwood, serving USA.
That was weird. What do you rate it?
Out of 10? Like 10?
Scariness level.
Oh. Like a 4?
2. Maybe a 1. Cute though. I like the vibe. Bye. How do I turn this off?
Gary, what are we about to do?
We're getting our faces drawn in a character sketch here.
We've been wanting to do it all summer. We're finally doing it.
Whee! In color.
Gary, how you feeling?
I feel good. I took a great nap.
You ready to go in this haunted house?
I'm ready to go on rides, yes.
And Zach's gonna go on Cannibal. Yes.
So I guess I back out at this point.
How are you guys feeling about this ride? Feeling good? Feeling confident? I mean, it's not a ride, it's a haunted house, but how are you feeling? I'm a little stressed. That's the real question. I'm a little stressed. And it's my son.
First haunted house.
Baby's first haunted house.
An ornament, you don't.
Yeah, you're gonna get our first haunted house. We're alive. Wasn't as bad. I don't know why Gary's got his hoodie on. But we survived only because she jumped.
I got scared for everyone.
And then we didn't have to see it.
The
So
alarm had to have someone tripping the alarm ahead of us.
Yep.
Worked out easier.
but actually wasn't that bad, to be honest.
What? ride coaster you guys yet. Don't die yet. Alright, so where do you guys want to go next? You guys see?
I'm scared.
Should we go on the original roller coaster? What should we do? Oh.
I'm really scared. Oh my God.